All right, YouTube, we're back at it with this 2006 Audi A4 B7. Today we're doing the power steering pump. This job completely sucked, and it's not even done yet, but I thought I'd give you a video telling you what I did. So, after you get the hoses off the old pump, I just got it sitting up here. It's still connected to the one that, or it's still connected to that hose that goes to the power steering rack. But there's 4 mounting bolts. So as you see right there, there's the one. You have to stick an Allen through the pulley to get to it. This is obviously the new pump that it's on there. There's one there. There's one on the far side. You can kind of see the hole right there at the tip of where my finger is. And then there's another one down this way. So I thought there was only 3. Turns out there's a hidden 4th one. If we look in the back here, there it is. So there's a hidden 4th mounting bolt. I'll try and see if I can get my finger on it. Right there at the tip. You can see where I already put the bolt back through and everything, but right there at the top of my finger. So once you get that all going and everything, you know, it comes out pretty easy. I didn't take any other hoses off. I didn't take the radiator hose, intake hose, or anything. I was able to finagle it around here. Another trick that I had to do is I use this jack thing, this jack bar thing, and getting a wrench down on top of that socket has been a trick because it just doesn't fit. So what I did was I used this bar as leverage to push this fan back. Push the electric fan back just a little, ever so slightly, just so that, just ever so slightly, just like that, just so that I can get the wrench in there. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out. Hopefully you don't spend, you know, a whole day, you know, twiddling your thumbs and scratching your head like I did, and you can get it done within, you know, an hour or 2. That's my hope. If you guys want to see more things like this, you know, please let me know. If there's anything that you want to see done on this car, or if you have any questions about anything like on this car, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Bye.